Hey everyone, how are you doing? So Nykaa just released Huda Beauty Color Block palettes and I got my hands on this little baby. That's blue and green color block obsessions, as well as the other one, the purple and the orange one, which I will show you in the next video. So this is the look that I've made today using this eyeshadow palette. There's also a swatch of this palette on this video, and as you follow my tutorial you'll come to know if this palette is worth your penny. So I believe I purchased this for about 2500 or 2400, yeah, 2400 on Nykaa, and usually that's the going rate of all Huda Beauty palettes unless they are on some kind of sale. So this little thing came for 2400. I'll just show you the color scheme inside, the color story, and these are the colors that are in there. As you can see, very beautiful greens, yellows, blues, some violets, this lavender shade, and 3 shimmer shades are there. And here are the swatches of these. As you can see, I've swatched it at the back of my hand, and yet the pigmentation is pretty good, and I had no trouble blending these colors or working with these colors. They are very strong colors, but they are immensely easy to work with. You don't have to be a makeup artist to work with these colors. And to prove that, let's start with our makeup tutorial. So here's the palette, and I take the pastel green in the bottom row on my blending brush, and I run it along my transition area. And as you can see, the color is quite visible, and the blending is also extremely easy. These mattes are quite stable and they absolutely perform. So here's me blending it out in my transition area. I really wanted that green smokiness on the edges of my eyes, and then I go ahead and mix this electric sky blue. On the same brush I take this shade and I start blending it with that green, but this time I apply this color more towards my crease as well. This green in combination with this electric blue actually gives a very nice bluish greenish smoky effect on the edges of the eyes, and I also just pull it away from my face in a pointy direction, in a pointy fashion, so that the shape of the eye is more defined. So here's me blending both the colors with the same blending brush. So once happy with that, I take my shader brush, and on this I take this really beautiful matte violet shade, and what I'm going to do is that I'll place it at the edge of my eye, at the corner of my eye, the outer corner, and I'm just merely placing it, and look at that pigmentation, it's simply amazing. So what I'm doing is that I'm merely applying it with this shader brush, and I also take it up till my crease, not all the way up. I don't want to disturb that bluish greenish smoke, so just about touching the crease of my eyes and making a nice violet corner on the side. And as you can see, without having to put much effort, the colors are coming in together beautifully. And now you will see me apply this blue shade, this really nice blue, and this I'm going to be applying from my inner corner outwards till the middle of the eye. And this again I've taken on a shader brush. This is a fresh shader brush. Remember to apply all these colors that are meant for the main lid with a clean shader brush always. If you want the pigment to be true to its color, it's best to go in with clean shader brushes. And see, without any effort, without much application, I mean, all I've done is that I've placed colors, I've not even like blended them, and they're already looking blended. And then I'm just gonna top this blue up with this blue shimmer on top. I was quite confused as to which shimmer to go ahead with, but then I settled for this because it looked like a true blue shimmer. And this I'm going to place actually on the center part of my lid. so as to bridge the violet as well as this blue. So cover any naked spots with the help of a shader brush so that the application looks even. And now for the inner corner, we take that yellow matte shade. As you can see, it's a little it's going everywhere, but it's steady. Once you apply it, it stays put. And I really like actually lime green in my inner corner. So what I've done is that I've taken this matte yellow, and I have mixed it with that light blue shimmer shade in the pan. And this gives a very nice iridescent green inner corner. And this is what I was aiming for, because the outer edge of the eye, as you've seen, is also green. So I wanted that complete, the green complementing green sort of a look. And now I shall just take the other shade, which is close to violet, on my lower lash line. And this I'm blending out with a shader brush again. I'm going to mix it up with the green that I had put in my transition area, so as to complete the green effect and give the eye that complete look. And these colors are immensely easy to work with, that much I can definitely say. So that's most of my eye makeup done vis-a-vis this palette. And this cake liner I will not be using because it's too light for me. I usually go for deeper shades of liners, and just giving that final touch up to my eyes. And now I will just jazz up my entire look with the Quintessential Blacks. And here is my Kohl. This is MAC Technakohl liner in Graph Black, and with this I will just outline my eyes and also put it in my waterline. And I think the black really brings out the blues and the greens very beautifully. And this is my complete look. I have just done it up with the basic mascara and the lashes, and the palette has been extremely this is a wonderful palette and a must buy if you are into blues. And for mascara, I'm actually wearing Legit Lashes by Huda, and the liner is by Maybelline. It's Colossal eyeliner, my absolute favorite. And the lashes are called Just Enough Drama by Nykaa, and I think it's true to its name. So yeah, that's my eye look complete. And now I shall just share my final thoughts with you. Every person with a penchant for makeup must go for this palette. I was super impressed by the workability of this palette, and if it fits within your budget for the month, you must definitely pick this up because it's extremely easy to work with. In case you try this look out, do let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. So I hope you liked my look, and I hope that you will try it out. And whenever you do, just always apprise me on this video in the comment section, and I shall be more than happy to check your looks out. You are definitely going to love this palette, and whenever you do, just let me know. So thank you so much for watching my video. Like, comment and subscribe, and do share it with your friends. Your support truly matters. We put in a lot of hard work to bring you this kind of content, and it would mean so much to us if you could just give us some love back. So thank you so much. Have a great day.